I'm Jeff Sheldon. I'm the founder and designer of Ugmonk. So when I started Ugmonk, it was all about just making graphic tees, applying artwork onto t-shirts. And now we're getting into more of object design, trying to make better garments, better objects, things that are really well considered and refined. There's more of a maturity to it now, after 10 years, than when I started. Everything that I'm doing, if there's a better option out there, if something can be improved, I always want to strive to get to that quality. Knowing that there's something better out there really is what wanted to drive me to say, can we make these custom? Can we make a truly great garment from the ground up? And that's why we're here now, launching new shirts. I got a lot more familiar with the actual t-shirt itself, and I started to get really picky and say, look, the stitching's different, this one fits different, this one shrinks up really weird. Going from that all the way to where we are today, I've gotten really into trying to refine the garment itself so that the shirt fits really good, and it's the shirt that I want to wear. When you put on one of our shirts, you're going to notice that there's a difference. T-shirts have always been a big part of Ugmonk since the very, very beginning. They were the original canvas for my designs to live on, and I'm excited for them to continue being a core part of our brand.